Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, want to thank everyone for your support on the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today I want to talk about 3 stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates later this week. 3 stocks that you can jump into, capture the dividend, do a swing trade, or as you remember from my prior videos, I like to select stocks that you can also hold for the longer term as well. So all 3 of these stocks would be great long-term buy and hold stocks. And I do that in case you jump into a stock, you buy it, you capture the dividend, and then the market pulls back or the individual stock pulls back. You can't initially get out of that stock. No worries, you can hold it for the longer term, pick up the dividend, and be secure that you have a quality investment for the longer term as well. I did want to start off with talking about VOO here. This is a quality index fund I've mentioned on a prior video, a number of prior videos actually. You can see in the middle there, it's a very large market cap fund, $83.09 billion. On the bottom there, you can see it's an index fund for the S&P 500, tracking a market cap weighted index of U.S. large and mid cap stocks selected by the S&P committee. So this is a very good stock to kind of get an overview of what the market is doing in general. It has a very large market representation of really every market sector. And you can see here over the last week, the market has been pulling back a bit, but it is up over the past week here, 1.93%. Again, it has been pulling back, 5.2% in the negative. But I just want to emphasize that over the last 3 months, it's still in the green, 3.46%. And over the last 1 year, it's about double what the market would do going back about the last 20 to 25 years or so. So, yes, there was a very big correction in the market, or at least a very significant pullback here, as you can see. But the market, it's still up over the last 1 year interval, about double what it has done historically over the last 25 years or so. So I don't think there's a lot of panic that's needed right now in the market. I do think a lot of stocks are overpriced. I definitely wanted to emphasize that before jumping into these types of trades, because they can be very risky right now. If the market continues to pull back and you jump into one of these stocks for a dividend capture swing trade, you might not be able to get out of the stock for a number of months, if not longer. So just keep that in mind when doing this type of trading. I like doing swing trades, but again, I only do swing trades, dividend capture trades, and stocks I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term. So having said all that, let's jump into the 3 stocks here. First one is a biotechnology company. If we go to the bottom here, you can see Amgen is a biotechnology medicines company. Basically discovers, develops, manufactures different types of pharmaceuticals. You can see in the middle here, definitely was a bit under the expected earnings per share last quarter, quarter 4 2017, $2.89 versus expected $3.03. You can see in the middle here, it's a very large company, $125.24 billion for its market cap. A good dividend yield as well, 2.64%. And you'll see up on top here, it has been up and down over the past 1 year, only 6.45% in the green. Over the last 5 years, it's shown some strong performance. And over the last 1 month, again, as the entire market has done, this stock has pulled back, but it has the potential to, I think, rebound, sort of a contrarian type of investment. I do like this stock moving forward. I think it's a quality buy and hold stock. It has an ex-dividend date on the 14th, so you need to buy this stock tomorrow in order to qualify for the dividend. The payment date will be on the 8th of March, $1.32 for the dividend per share. And again, that translates to about a 3% dividend or so. A little bit higher just because the company has had some good performance over the last few months or so since the last dividend. So last dividend payment, 2.645. The current dividend will be right around 3.07%. So that is the first stock here, AMGN. Again, the ex-dividend date to qualify for the dividend is the 14th, so you have to buy it before that date. So tomorrow will be the date to buy AMGN to capture the dividend. The second stock here, Six Flags. Actually talked about this stock on a prior video talking about roller coaster stocks. The name of the video, I believe, was Roller Coaster Stocks for the Future. You can see this is a theme park type of company. The most famous brand, the most well-known brand is Six Flags Entertainment Parks. You can see the earnings here. Has not posted its earnings yet, so you could also maybe do this as an earnings play as well. You can see in the middle, it's a little bit smaller than the traditional companies I jump into for dividend capture, but it's still very large, $5.53 billion. Great dividend yield, as you can see there, 3.969%. And just like the other companies, it has pulled back as the market has pulled back 4.19%. Over the past 1 year, it is up 13.27%. Last 5 years, strong performance, 154.48. So for Six Flags, the ex-dividend date will be on the 15th. So you have a couple days to decide whether you want to jump into the stock. The payment date will be on the 15th of March. It is 78 cents per share for a dividend currently of 4.76% or so. So a very quality stock, a little bit smaller stock, a little bit more risky, but nevertheless a very good stock, I believe, for a buy and hold type of strategy as well. And the final stock is a stock I have in the portfolio, and that stock is CenterPoint Energy here, CNP. This is a very quality, longer-term buy and hold stock. You can see it's a holding company, engages in power generation, distribution as well. You can see in the middle here, the earnings available on the 22nd of February. So this may be a very good earnings play type of investment as well. In the middle there, you can see a little bit bigger company than the last SIX, Six Flags Entertainment. This is $11.42 billion for market cap. Great dividend yield, 4.18%. And again, like the other companies, over the past 1 month, it has pulled back a bit. But over the last year here, you can see it is up 4.87%. Again, that very big pullback here over the last month or so, really over the last week. For the last 5 years, it's up 59.63%. So this is a company that has an ex-dividend date on the 14th of February. So you have to buy this one tomorrow as well. The payment date will be on the 8th of March, 28 cents per share for dividend yield of about 4.25%. So a very good company, I believe at least, that can be utilized in a dividend capture, swing trade, or a longer-term buy and hold as well. So again, just want to point out I am not a market professional. These are stocks that I currently believe are very good stocks for dividend capture, swing trades, as well as buy and hold stocks. But again, that has to be taken into consideration of a potential market pullback that may continue. The market has been very strong, at least for my portfolio, for some of the other index funds over the last couple days. But there is still a risk that the market can pull back quite significantly here over the next couple of weeks or so. So those are the three stocks. Again, the first one, AMGN, Amgen. Second one, SIX, Six Flags Entertainment. And CNP, CenterPoint Energy. Three stocks that I believe are very good buy and hold stocks that can also be utilized in a shorter term dividend capture swing trading type of strategy. So let me know what you guys think about these three stocks. Are there better ones out there? If there are, please let me know. I definitely am going to be doing some videos on user-suggested dividend captures and swing trades. You guys have had some very, very good suggestions so far, putting those in a video. But again, if you guys have any better plays, let me know. These are the ones I found. Again, one from my portfolio, a couple that I've featured in prior videos. AMGN, I think, is probably the best for a longer-term buy and hold. So let me know what you think. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.